Nothing like some coffee at 7 o'clock at night. Alrighty guys, so in today's video, we're discussing how much I made as a creator in 2025. Now I know it's a little later in the year, it's 2026, February 20th or so, I think. More or less, I'm not sure. It's in that range. It's after Valentine's Day, that's all I know. But most people don't speak about this, they don't go into too much detail. I have sub 2,000 subscribers on YouTube. I've got around 9,000 on Instagram and a couple other pages here and there that I manage and work on myself. We'll cut to the nitty gritty and get to the chase. It's going to be split into 3 categories, and those categories are going to be my affiliates, brand deals, and then product exchange. Most people don't discuss product exchange because they don't want to say anything. I won't mention brands or anything like that, but I'll tell you how much I've made in product exchange. It's quite a big number that will surprise you. So let's get into it and hop right into affiliates. So affiliates, as you all know what they are, it's links that we put to a brand website with a coupon code or a gift code or discount code, or into Amazon directly. So in 2025, I made around $5,131.82 just off of affiliate links. Now guys, this is with my subscriber count that I have currently. I've had a lull all of 2025. I tried to showcase off-road content, things like that, camping, lifestyle on a YouTube channel like this one that was primarily about content creation, gear, and how to shoot videos. Primarily with the Osmo Pocket 3 and Sony cameras. So it had a lull and I didn't grow much this year at all, or last year. I probably got like 200 extra subs in a whole year, which is pretty bad. But still made money, which is all that matters, so don't ever give up and keep going. Monetization on YouTube. Because of my mistake in bringing in other content as far as the off-road, camping, etc., my viewer count dwindled and exploded. YouTube saw that, didn't push my content to those people that wanted to watch that. So I didn't grow, I didn't get views, I didn't get watch hours. So to this day, guys, year 2 on YouTube, and I am still not monetized. I will get there eventually. I know that if I put in the effort. I know I post videos and then I stop. I get burnt out. I do content creation full time for companies, brands, etc. Boss and I own a company here, 435 Creative Lab. Check it out. Brand deals. I had a few brand deals, some that surprised me, some that didn't. I'm not sure if you guys know, I have 2 channels now. One is up here. It's going to be my off-roading channel, and I actually only have 30 subs on that, and I've been able to work with brands and get paid for it. And that's them not knowing that I have this channel here as a whole. So in brand deals as a whole, I only worked with 4 companies. Wasn't much, but I made $1,497. So that's that. 3 of those brands were with my smaller channel, so I had no pull with it, and I didn't want to mention this channel at all because that's not how I work. And then product exchange. Product exchange is video content, photos, pictures, etc. for brands in exchange for a product. Plain and simple. I've worked with bicycle companies, bike companies, travel companies, etc. And this number might surprise you guys. How I got to this number was pricing of the products and then what I actually sold those products for. And I made a total of $12,368.29 off of product exchange alone. So yeah, that was my year in 2025. Granted, this isn't a lot of, I can't say it's not a lot of money because to most people it is. I'm 34 years old, 33 years old. This isn't paying bills. It is, but it's not. This is not what I can do and survive. So in total, in 2025, I made $18,997.11. Someone who's coming out of high school or is in college, this would be nice. This would be a nice little lump sum to have, to throw into investments, etc. And that's what we do here. Overall, I am looking forward to 2026, starting off strong.